Hi everyone, I want to show you how to change the clock on your Lexus. Most Lexus clocks are now operated through the main menu in Setup. Let's check it out.
In your vehicle, you're going to push the menu button, and then you'll notice on the screen that you have an opportunity to go to Setup. Depending on the year of your vehicle, you might actually have to click on General, but the newer versions of our systems will automatically open the General menu, and you'll see Clock right at the top. This is where you can adjust your time zone, turn daylight saving time on or off, and you can even turn on or off the auto adjust. So if you need to change your setting to a manual setting, if you prefer to set your clock ahead, then you can do that as well. But if you turn daylight saving time on or off right in the clock display, if you have a linked analog clock, you'll see it automatically adjust for you. So again, that's just turning on and off. Also, digital clock in your multi-information display, which is here. If your digital clock is linked, you'll see that adjustment happen just by clicking on or off for daylight saving time.
If the clock on your Lexus is different, make sure to check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel. You can follow the link below to our clock changing video tutorial playlist. Thanks so much. Happy daylight saving.